So this video is a tutorial on how to download the free sounds that are available for Garageband. Garageband is a music creating software that comes pre-installed on your Mac, and downloading these free sounds, which include instrumentals, Apple loops, as well as sound effects, that will increase your creativity capabilities dramatically. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is open Garageband, which I already have, and you'll see this window in front of you. You can select any one of these options depending on what you want to do. Right now, I'm just going to select Empty Project and Create. And all you need to do is go up here, it says GarageBand, click on that, go down to Sound Library. The first one, download all essential sounds, and then we're going to do download all available sounds. So I'll click on that. It says click Continue to download the initial set of sounds required by the core instruments and effects in GarageBand. It's exactly what we want to do, so we'll click Continue. And then right up here in the LCD screen, you click on this little blue bar right here, and you can see the download status. So that's the first one. Over here we have the instrumentals being downloaded. And if you want to see the Apple loops, we go on View, Show Apple loops. And over here we have a vast selection of Apple loops that are being downloaded as well. So that's the first half. The second half is to download all available sounds. Click on that. Click Continue again, check out the status, and we have a total of 9.3 gigs that are being downloaded. So that's a lot of data, and that brings me to the end of the video, which is what do you do if you need to stop? If that situation arises, you have two options. You can either pause or you can stop. If you stop the downloads, it's going to ask you if you want to cancel. You click Cancel. I'm not going to click that right now. What I'm going to do is pause this though. If you do stop the download, when you open the program back up, all you have to do is exactly what we just did, because that's what I had done before I made this video. I had started the downloads. It took me a couple minutes to figure it out, so I decided to make this tutorial, and everything I'd already downloaded was still there. So it just resumes right where it left off, and that's not a problem whatsoever. So the second option would be to pause it, and I wanted to point this out because it's actually could be important depending on where you are and the amount of data that's being downloaded. If you pause them and you quit the program, which I'll do right now, do Command Q, and I'll save this so this same project opens right back up automatically next time. These downloads are going to resume automatically in the background without me doing anything, initializing it, or even really noticing, except for this little blue bar up here in the LCD screen. So if we click on that, as you can see, it's resumed again automatically. So that's just something to be aware of if you do decide to pause it. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to download all the free sounds, instrumentals, and loops that are available for GarageBand.